In this lesson, we will learn how to create an article with ChatGPT. We just saw how to create a blog post, and now we will create an article. Articles are mainly more detailed and more formal. Okay, you must have seen an article over 2000 words, but blogs can be of 300 words, 500 words. Okay, so we will here create detailed articles on some topics with ChatGPT. Let us see. Here click new chat. Our previous chats are saved here. Now I'll type generate a detailed article content on AI is a threat or a blessing. Okay, we can also mention use storytelling. Let's see what article it will generate. Here it is. It is showing us according to storytelling. Okay, here it is. You can regenerate it from here or you can copy it if you liked it. Now I'll create another article about a website. So we will see generate a detailed article content on the website Studiopedia. Okay. It has also shown the conclusion and some headings also. Okay, here it is, the exact article. So in this way, guys, we can easily create articles using ChatGPT. Okay, if you want, you can also rename the chat history from here. Thank you for watching the video.